Unlocking the Power of Inclusivity, a guide to promoting unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its many phrases. Today, we're exploring a very important and relevant topic: promote inclusivity. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary. It's about embracing a concept that can change the way we interact with the world. So, let's get started and unpack what it means to promote inclusivity and why it matters. To promote inclusivity means to actively encourage and support an environment where everyone feels welcome and valued, regardless of their background, identity, or circumstances. It's about creating spaces, whether they're online, in the workplace, or in social settings, where diversity is celebrated, and everyone has the opportunity to participate fully and equally. Promote: to support, encourage, or raise awareness about something. Inclusivity: the practice or policy of including people who might otherwise be excluded or marginalized. Promoting inclusivity is crucial because it leads to richer, more diverse environments where creativity and innovation can flourish. It helps in breaking down barriers, eliminating prejudices and misconceptions, enhancing understanding and empathy, encouraging people to see the world from different perspectives, boosting participation and engagement, ensuring everyone feels they have a voice and can contribute. In short, inclusivity makes our communities stronger, more vibrant, and more resilient. 1. Awareness and education. Educate yourself and others about different cultures, identities, and perspectives. Knowledge is a powerful tool against ignorance and stereotypes. 2. Active listening and open communication. Create an environment where everyone feels safe to express their thoughts and experiences. Listen more than you speak and seek to understand before being understood. 3. Policy and practice. Advocate for inclusive policies in your community, workplace, or any organization you're a part of. This could mean anything from accessible facilities to fair hiring practices. 4. Representation matters. Support and promote diversity in leadership, media, and any platforms of influence. Seeing oneself reflected in various roles of society is empowering and inspiring. 5. Challenge exclusion. When you see instances of exclusion or discrimination, speak up. Silence often implies consent, and change begins with the courage to point out wrongs. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and importance of promoting inclusivity. Remember, inclusivity isn't just a policy or a strategy. It's a mindset and a practice that enriches our lives and our communities. By embracing and promoting inclusivity, we open the door to a world of unity, understanding, and mutual respect. We hope this video inspires you to take action and become an advocate for inclusivity in your own circles. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.